Hello, and welcome to today's Peaky Card reading. Today's topic is what are people secretly noticing about you but won't say. For that, as usual, we have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Now, guys, please stay with me till the end of the readings because I'm bringing with me also the charms and the channel messages. So, now, if you like my content, then please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see what are people secretly noticing about you these days but won't say it. Okay, the first one is the hammock. Taking a vacation physically or mentally. So I'm seeing you guys after going through some pressurized situation, you guys are relaxing. You guys are letting your hair down at last. Like you guys are embracing what life has to offer. What I'm seeing is probably most of you are very much proactive in nature in general. That's how people are used to seeing you, like somebody who is very proactive, very goal oriented, always running around. To you have become somebody who is more chilled, more relaxed, somebody who is going with the flow kind of a person today. Yeah, and people are noticing that about you. Victory in some endeavor. Absolutely, you guys are coming out to be victorious in life. You guys are winning in life after all. You guys, after a lot of time, I'm seeing some of you have been through longer struggles, like decadal struggles to reach wherever you have with your sheer hard work. Everybody knew that you had the potential, but the kind of hard work you have to put in to reach wherever you have is phenomenal. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. You are a person who is very, you know what? During you have been through a lot of unsettled times in your life, and what that taught you is to be a better planner. You are today way more prepared for whatever like unknown options life might like no unknown curveballs that life might throw at you. You're way more prepared for that. That's what I can see. And people are noticing that this is a person who has become way more matured, way better planner. You're embracing life. You're more like slowing down in certain way, like becoming more stable that way. I'm not saying that you are not stable earlier, but you have become more like chilled out. Yeah, that's the term I'm looking for, like mostly. Key, successful outcome to your problems. Yes, I'm saying you are a person who has become way more successful in general. You guys are becoming like you guys are at last receiving what you always deserved. Courage, a journey either physical or mental, because you are a person who is very much like you are on a journey. You are uh, you are getting what you deserved, but you are also, you are a person who is you know you've been through a lot of ups and downs. Your life, like for most of us, life is a journey, but yours has been very both emotionally and physically draining at some point. But today you have learned to let go of a lot of your past baggages to move on in your life. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, like, subscribe, and guys, please stay till the end of the reading because I'm bringing in the charms and the messages, the you know along with this. So if you're interested, then stay tuned, stay with me till the end. Right, wedge, someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Literally, I'm seeing you have been through a phase where some of your own people sabotaged your growth. They sabotaged whatever you are going after, and you realize them, those two-faced friends, but it was too late for some of you because you had to restart. A lot of you had to restart your life. recognition, reward for merit. Literally, you guys are getting the recognition that you always deserved. You are being rewarded for everything that you deserved in life. You guys are being rewarded for that at last. Love. A lot of you, I'm seeing you have been into a very toxic relationship at once who did nothing but just sabotaged your growth. To today, you are in a situation where you're being respected. You're being respected for who you are. Wrath. Literally, you have faced, there's this chaos, this turmoil I'm seeing. You guys have faced that chaotic scenario in your own life. You guys have faced it, like that chaotic, very filled with anxiety, always in a go 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 mode. You had to be very proactive in your life, but today you have slowed yourself down. You have learned to embrace every single moment, to leave every single moment, and that is a very welcome change, and people are noticing that about you. Survival. Yeah, people are noticing that you are a survivor. You have survived a lot. You had to go through a lot of difficult seas to reach wherever you have in your life. You had to face a lot of choppy waters to reach wherever you have. And those nights were very long and difficult. You have been through those cold nights. Life have exposed you to those cold, bitterly cold nights, and things were not easy, but you guys never gave up. You know what? I'm seeing also people are noticing that you have become way wiser. You have grown wiser as a person. Today, you are a person who tend to be more intimidating, more, there is something very intoxicating about you, very intimidating, intoxicating, very otherworldly in a lot of ways. People might stare at you, but people might feel a little bit like intimidated by you before they approach you. Like some of your friends might tell you that, you know what, initially I thought that you should get off your high horse, that kind of a person. Like literally, that is the first impression you create for a lot of you. But today, people are noticing that you have become a more, as I say, like chilled is the word I can think of. Literally, you have let your hair down. You have learned to, you know, embrace and live in your current moment without worrying much about your future. People have also noticed how kind and generous you actually are. Probably earlier, your reputation was more of a very ambitious person, somebody who goes after their goals, like no matter what, to somebody who is more kind, generous, very caring, somebody who is more charitable. Knight of Swords. Be ambitious, chase your every dream. Literally, I'm seeing you being somebody who is very ambitious, who is very, you're very driven, determined, ambitious, very focused about your goals as well. Like, people are noticing that you are a person who, like, people know that this is a very ambitious person, but at the same time, what I'm seeing is there is a balance that has come in you. There was a time when you're only ambitious, only chasing after your goals, but today you're both ambitious, at the same time you're very kind. So there is a dichotomy, and there's this different shades, different layers in your personality that people are discovering about you and are really appreciative of. Six of Swords, you are a person who is also very, you are a person who has created their own way in life. Literally, you are a person in the face of severe impediments. You do not, your type, you'd never give up. People really notice that fighter spirit. You might not be the person who is like feisty and fiery all the time, but you have this fighter spirit, like not gonna give up no matter what kind of a spirit about you, which people really appreciate. Why aren't you resting? So yeah, there was a time when people would actually call you a workaholic, but today I'm seeing you guys have learned to, you're taking in, you are resting. You guys are like learning to slow down. that is something, that's a very continuous theme about you. Somebody who used to be, who can be a very workaholic person, but at the same time you take breaks, you take your time off in order to embrace, in order to take in the beauty that surrounds you. Queen of Pentacles, there is no need to sacrifice. You can have it all. Literally, I'm saying you are a person who does not need to sacrifice at all. You do not believe in sacrificing one phase of your life for the sake of another. You are a person who genuinely believes that I can have everything: a good social life, a good family life, a good career. I can be a good cook, at the same time a great business person. So you are that kind of a like all-rounder kind of a person in general. Ten of Cups, okay, but sometimes it really is all rainbows and smiles. Seriously, you are a person who is all about the rainbows. Like, you have learned to enjoy life at last, because you have, like, you have been through a lot of stress and struggle. You used to take things very seriously on your chin, but now you are have become like way more, like, you have learned to become more relaxed as an individual. Knight of Pentacles, slowly but surely you're going places. Yeah, people are appreciative of the fact that you guys are reaching your highest potential. You guys are reaching your goals, both career wise and at a personal level, even at a spiritual level. You guys are hitting your highest potential. Two of Pentacles, when life gets chaotic, find a way to get grounded and balanced. Yes, you're a very balanced person. As I said, you have a very good social life, at the same time, a very private personal life. Like, you are a very good, you could be a very good mom, at the same time a very good businesswoman, a very devoted person in your society as well. So you do that juggling, balancing act really, really, you pull it off really well, really in a very capable manner. So a lot of you could also be Librans and Sagittarius. Yeah, Libra, Sagittarius, Aquarius, very out of the box thinking can be seen for a lot of you. Gemini, these are the signs that I can think of right off the bat. Capricorn can be significant end of a tough cycle. Yeah, people notice, they have realized that this is a person who have been through some real tough situations, and have not just endured and survived, but you guys have thrived. Be bold and make the first move. You are somebody who has literally made the first move in a lot of ways. Literally, you go ahead and make that first move for a lot of you. Yes, be fearless and stand strong. You are a person who is extremely strong, very fearless, very, you're very strong, very fearless, very determined, very driven. And I think you are being seen as a complete package. Somebody who is willing to take life by its horns and move ahead in life. Chimpanzee, use both your intuition and your intellect to solve the problem or get answers to your question. You are somebody, you know, who uses both their right and left brains. That is something I can see. You are somebody, you have also been a problem solver. You have become better at this. Like, there was a time when you used to address them in a more feisty, fiery kind of a manner. Today, you approach your problems in a more calm, more collected manner, more sorted ways. You have grown, you have matured a lot. That's what people are noticing about you, that this person has grown with time, evolved with time. It's time to take action. Yeah, you have been like, you might not be running around, but still you take the needful actions all the time. You are not somebody who is very lazy. You are you're all about your actions. Doesn't mean like earlier you only took actions, but today you have also learned to chill a little bit. So that's the difference, and people are noticing that, and people appreciate how determined you are as a person. Energy is gaining momentum. You guys are gaining a lot of momentum. You guys are gaining a lot of popularity in your sphere. You guys are gaining a lot of popularity, lot of appreciation. Bore, face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you would emerge victorious. Literally, I'm saying you are a person who has learned to face their problems head on. You have literally learned to fiercely face their problems and move over it. Like, you face it, you deal with it, and you move on. You are that kind of a person, and people appreciate. You need to have a lot of maturity. You do not hold grudges as such. So that takes a lot of maturity and inner calm to do it. Do it for yourself. Exactly. You are a person who does the work for their own self. You are somebody who does a lot of work for their own self. This is something I can see. Slay them all, dragon. You are somebody who is, you're a very courageous person. Courageous doesn't have to mean you have to be very feisty, but what I'm saying is you are being seen as a very courageous, determined person. And you are a fierce promoter of self love, serious promoter of actual self love. Self love and self admiration are the two things that you live by, and people are noticing that. Like, you actively promote that. Stand up for yourself. Literally, you are somebody who have learned. Like, earlier, probably if people said something to you which was nasty, you wouldn't get back at them. But today you prefer to give them the salt, because you never deserved that as well. If they are throwing, like, you know how to pay people back in their own currency, if you know what I mean. Pile one, time for the charms. What are people noticing about you secretly but won't say? Clearly, I'm seeing you guys are becoming fortunate. You're embodying a lot of, masculine qualities about you. You could identify as a female, but you're embodying a lot of masculine qualities. You're becoming fortunate. You're getting a lot of selfies clicked. So literally, you're getting a lot of attention in general. The star card, typically you guys are getting a lot of attention. Seriously, people think of you as a diamond in the rough. You are also being seen as a very stable person. Also, people are noticing how fit and active you are. Now, time for the guided messages. Okay. Your kindness and compassion makes you stand out. People notice how kind, nice, generous, and compassionate you are. Very kind and generous and compassionate person. And people really love that about you. You embody a lot of king and queen qualities: confidence, strength, capability, and toughness. Yes, people like how confident, capable, strong you are. Doesn't matter what others say, all that matters is my own belief system. You are a very self reliant, independent person, somebody who has an opinion, a mind of their own, somebody who values and respects their own selves a lot. A lot of you could be very athletic, yeah, and people are noticing that about you. A real human being is not a perfect one, but someone who has both passion and compassion working for them. Yes, you know what? You are a very driven and focused kind of a person, at the same time, very, very compassionate about especially those people who do not have as many privileges as you have. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. Guys, if yes, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile two. Let's see, what are people secretly noticing about you but won't say? You are highly thought of, Bo. Literally, I'm seeing like you guys are being respected a lot. People literally tend to put you up on a pedestal. That's the first reaction I'm getting. Like, you know what? This is such a great person. This is such a lit person. People literally tend to look at you through the pink or the rose tinted glasses. Literally, people put you up on a pedestal, and people are noticing that you are such a worthy human being. You are so worth it, as they say, no, very very much worth it. You are that kind of a person. Diamond, you will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you guys are either receiving or giving a precious gift to somebody. You guys are literally, some of you are actually getting approached by a secret lover. People are noticing you more in general. Also, what I'm seeing is you have transformed yourself into you have upgraded yourself as an individual. Some of you, I'm hearing, are artists, and you have upgraded your art to the next level. Flag, don't be tempted to lower your standards. Yes, you know what? People also are noticing that you have got very high standards for yourself. You are not even interested in lowering your standards in order to fit in order to make others happy and comfortable. You have your own set of standards for yourselves, which you try to meet all the time. And you know what? It's because of you trying to meet your own set of standards that actually enhances your capabilities, that makes you practice a lot more, because you do not accept mediocrity in any form, or in any way or form. Cup, you should accept valid criticism. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are people who are very sorted in their head, and people notice that you know what, you guys are pretty successful, but your success has not gone inside of your head. It is something that you have dealt with very very in a very level headed manner. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. Exactly. I'm seeing you are a person who is like, a unicorn is a very unique, magical, rare being. You're being seen as that. People notice how unique you are, how rare you are. A lot of you are very, very creative, extremely creative, and people appreciate that about you. Hills, obstacles to overcome. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have reached this position of power, of respect, after you overcame a steep hill of obstacle, a steep hill of impediments, and life has put you through a lot of trials and tribulations, but you never gave up. Opportunities waiting for door. Literally, you had to go through this uphill situation, uphill battles, in order for the doors to open for you. The doors have opened today, but that didn't happen overnight. That didn't happen just like that. You had to work very very hard in order for the doors to open for you. All right guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, like, comment, and also guys, I'm bringing in the charms and messages at the end of this reading, so please stay till the end. Right, archway. New opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. Literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys are opening newer doors for yourself, and people are noticing that this person is prospering, this person is flourishing in their lives. Egg, success assured with good plans and hard work. People feel that, you know what, this is a person who is meant to succeed, who is meant for bigger things in life. You guys are getting those as well. Influence, yeah, people are noticing your influence has increased. You have a lot of you could be social media influencer, and that is actually taking off today, and you guys are doing so much better than average. You guys are, your life has taken off. Your life has taken off at last, for sure. And people notice that about you. You are a very observant, very quietly observant kind of a person. Very determined, observant, driven kind of a person. You are insight. You are a very insightful person as well. You are somebody who is very wise. You are somebody who is very wise, very determined, very driven, very focused. You know exactly what you need to do with your life, and you just, moment you decide, so this is what I need to do with my life, you have a very wise take on life in general. You could be, actually, I'm seeing a younger person having a lot of wisdom in their life in general, and that is something that people are noticing, that this is a wise person. You are also a risk taker. Yes, risks. You are a believer in of taking, like, calculated risks, because it's not like uncalculated, something like you're just jumping right off the cliff without knowing whether there will be something beneath you should you fall. So that, it's not that, but the kind of risks, like, you tend to gauge the pros and cons of a situation and try and jump. So that is one thing I can see in you, a lot of you, that you guys are risk takers, and you guys are being seen as very worthy people in general. You guys have, like, achieved a lot on your own in life. Communication, you are a great communicator, you are a fantastic communicator. Communication is your key anyways. Three of Cups, you know what I'm seeing, you guys are celebrating some milestones, some success, some life's milestones. And people are noticing that you guys are shining brightly. Actually, you guys are literally, as they say, resplendent in your own glory. Literally, you guys are going through that phase. Fool. Yes, you are, literally, you are somebody, you are a risk taker, somebody who is willing to jump, willing to embrace something new. A lot of you also could be into, like, adventure sports. Like, for you, life is an adventure in general, and people notice that about you. Willing to embrace anything new, anything different from the normal, you're willing to embrace that, and people really appreciate that courage that you have as well. Ace of Pentacles, you are a person who has literally created, like, you are very, very capable of creating new doors of opportunities for your own self. You are great at that. People notice that this is a very capable person. As I said, very worthy, capable, very, and people are usually delighted to be even introduced to you, to be even speaking with you. They are really, really delighted. Seven of Pentacles. You are a person. You know what I'm seeing is, you are a person, what people notice is, this is a person who tend to live their life with an attitude of gratitude. Like, most of us, myself included, we are so blessed. Most of us have, like, most things in life, but still we tend to crib and cry and complain over small stuffs, right? You are one of those people who choose to live their life with an attitude of gratitude, because you've realized that, you know what, you have had a lot less. You started with a lot less and you had to reach this position. So it's this attitude of gratitude which helped you, like, push ahead, like, push forward in life, and that is something I can see. Seven of sorry, not six, Seven of Pentacles, you are a person, see how appreciative he is of all the wealth. Exactly, you're very appreciative of all the wealth, all the nice things that life has to offer. You do not take anything for granted in life, and people notice that. People appreciate that appreciation that you have for life in general. All right, Wheel of Fortune, you are a person who have literally turned their wheels of fate into wheels of fortune. You have literally, the wheels of fate have turned in your favor with your own efforts, determination. Now, it's your efforts and determination that has helped you uh, turn your wills around. That's what I can see. Queen of Wands, you are a person who is very extremely driven. You are, you know what I'm seeing is, you are a person who is driven, who is very practical, who is very confident, who has a position in the society today. and is willing to use their position in order to help others. You are a person who is very sorted, determined, very confident. Yes, okay, 10 of swords, but I'm seeing also, you know what? Some of you still tend to carry the baggage of your past, a past which is pretty heavy, something that literally brought you on your knees, and it still gives you nightmares and chills. That kind of a past a lot of you have, and that is something that you guys tend to even now tend to struggle with. I'm so sorry if that part is true. I'm so sorry, my dear pile number 2, that you still struggle with your past. I'm seeing it could be your past habits, it could be just a past nasty incident, but there is something I'm hearing that bothers you from your past, and people notice that. You are a very wise soul. People tend to come to you for life suggestions. A lot of you could make a very good counselor, a very good therapist, counselor, those kind of like psychologist. You'd make a fantastic one, actually. The magician, you are somebody, you are a person who has got infinite potential about yourself. That's what people feel. That this is an alchemist. This person is the alchemist of their own destiny. This is a person who knows what is right for them to do and they execute it. That's the most important thing. Your execution power is tremendous. Unicorn, indulge your creative, imaginative, and magical side through some form of artistic expression. Exactly. You are a person who is literally, you tend to have a lot of imaginative, creative, and magical side to you. A lot of things that are, how shall I put it? You are a very creative person. You have a lot of magical aspect to you, and these are the things that sets you apart, and people notice this. Like, people find you very magical, very rare. Your creativity is very, very unique as well. You are a believer in the impossible. When no one believed in you, you guys believed in yourself. And today, people notice the side effect of that being like you succeeding in life when no one else expected you to. That, like, some real magic happening with you because you believed in your own self, remember? And people tend to remember that a lot. Transform and unveil your gifts. Literally, you guys have shifted, shifter. You guys have transformed. Like, people from like 5 years back will no longer be able to recognize you. You have transformed yourself so much. You have changed yourself so much. Wolverine, you are a lot tougher than you think you are. You're a very tough person, very tough, determined, dignified person, and people tend to respect you. I'm seeing a lot of people literally looking up to you for sure. Polar bear, stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to the outcome. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who has the guts to stand up and speak the truth. Speaking truth to power doesn't come easily. You have the guts to speak your truth, and people notice that about you. People admire that about you. Treat your body like the palace it is. I'm seeing a lot of body confidence, a lot of increase in confidence in general, a lot of body positivity in general. Spaceship, don't be afraid to sing. Literally, you are a person who is very much your own person. You are not afraid to speak your mind. You are not afraid to be who you are, and be very unapologetically so. Okay, pile 2, time for the charms. All right, I'm seeing you. Like, you know what? People are attracted towards you. People are like, I'm seeing some of you having some secret admirer. Absolutely. A lot of transformation. People are noticing a lot of transformative changes in you for sure. A lot of, you literally holding the key to your own destiny. Very wise person, shining brightly. You're hitting a lot of success milestones. Your wish being fulfilled with this charm. It's the wish fulfillment tree. It is known as the wish fulfillment tree. And you guys, your wishes are coming true, and people are noticing that you guys are slowly but surely living their dream life, like that, the life that they always dreamt of having but never dared to walk towards that. You hold the key to your destiny. A lot of you tend to give off a lot of ethereal mermaid types vibes, and people notice that, appreciate that about you as well. All right, I'm a really ambitious soul who knows what they are here to do. Literally, I'm seeing you as a very ambitious, determined kind of a soul, and people notice that in you, and people respect that in you as well. I have complete faith in my capabilities. It doesn't matter what you think about me. Exactly. You are somebody who has got complete faith in their capabilities, and people really respect that about you. Networking, I'm seeing like people notice your socializing and networking skills. A lot of you are very good at that actually. You guys are very good speakers, very eloquent as well. I was born to fight. I do not believe in giving up. You can do anything to stop me, but you won't be able to. Literally, you have this fighter's mindset, and people notice that about you. People appreciate that in you as well. Life is as simple as you keep it, or as complicated as you make it. This is your own mantra for life. Like, life can be very simple or very complicated depending on your perspective, depending on the actions that you choose to take. Success is the sum total of all the apparently trivial efforts that you put in and day out. Literally, people see you as a successful person. All right, guys, I hope you have some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Your support means so much to me. Seriously. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see what are people noticing about you but won't say. Okay, the first one is the vulture. Depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. Literally, okay. So I'm seeing a lot of you either are going through a lower phase in life, or you have just been through a very low phase in life. Let's see how it unfolds. And people are noticing that about you. Someone you know is undependable and insincere. Feather. Okay. So clearly, people are also noticing that you guys are surrounded by undependable people. People who are not trustworthy, who are not dependable, who are very insincere in their approach. They are like manipulative, gaslighting kind of people. Either you have been through that situation, or you have just come out of it. Like, either you're going through that situation, or you have been through and have just come out of it. Either of the two could be true. Okay, mountain. Major challenge to overcome. You are a person who is extremely, like, you are somebody who is extremely, determined, very persevering kind of a person. You do not give up easily. If you have a conviction about something, you follow through with it. You follow your heart. You are a person like, nothing can stop me from achieving my goals kind of a mindset you have. And people notice that quality in you for sure. Creep. Okay, birth or conception of a child or enterprise. So what I'm seeing is, what essentially what I'm getting is, you have been through some major deceptive scenarios in life which made you very, very negative, very anxious. It literally created a lot of crisis in a way in your life. And but you overcame that challenge, and I'm seeing you guys literally restarting your life from scratch, literally trying to get over anything and everything that came in the way, and give yourself, create a better life for your own self. Harp, great happiness. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are like, you are a very happy person, very happy go lucky. Today you have entered that phase. Okay, so people notice that you guys, after a lot of trials and tribulations, literally a phase of your life was nothing short of a battle. battlefield, war. From there, you have entered at last into a stage of more happy and peaceful situation, marriage. You know what? The marriage could also show, like, it could be like you after after you've been through a very manipulative, deceptive situation, you guys at last getting to marry or getting to be with somebody who is a real person and who is not deceptive, who are very appreciative of what you bring on table A. Another thing is marriage could also show it's a legal situation, and it's a legal scenario that is there, and I'm seeing that legality is really helping you. Like, you guys could be starting a new business, legally starting a new business with a new partner. That can also be seen success. All right, so people are noticing that this is a person who is meant for bigger things. Trickery, absolutely, you have faced a lot of trickery. You know what that has made you is you have become way more immune to a lot of gaslighting and manipulation. You can see right through people's nonsense, people's facade. Manipulators tend to stay the heck away from you. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment. Guys, I'm also bringing in charms and messages at the end of the reading, so stay till the end with me. Thank you. Now, you have become a person who is way wiser. You have been tricked a lot. You have faced a lot of trickery, a lot of elusive, devious kind of energies initially. What that has made is you have grown wiser. You know now what signs to look for. You are a person, you have been, like, literally, I'm seeing there was a time when you were really scared of these people, but today you tend to scare them away. The tricksters tend to the manipulators, the gaslighters, they tend to stay the heck away. They know that they can't have their way with you, so it's better for us to just stay the heck away from this person. Battle, yes, you, like, literally, I'm seeing your life has been a battlefield. For a lot of you, you had to struggle and try so much, had to work so hard to reach the position that you have today. Luck, you are, like, people are noticing that at last this person is receiving in their life what they always deserved. Strength, it takes great strength to be soft. You are a person who is, you know, you are a very compassionate, very ethical, principled, empathetic kind of a person. Somebody who is you have a very soft core, but that is not your weakness. You do not let others use your compassion as a weakness, rather use it against you. Because there was a time when your compassion used to be, you used to get used and abused by others because of your compassion. Today, people use it as a strength. Three of Wands, you are a person who is very self made. You have literally created your own path in your life. You have created your own, you have made your own way in this life. The Hierophant. Tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Literally, I'm seeing you are a very out of the box thinker. You are a person who is very, like, for you, tradition is important, a culture is important, but you're very inclusive of other people's culture as well. It's not like you have got some kind of ethnocentric concept, like it's our stuff which is great and others are not. You are very accepting, very inclusive, very, like, tolerant kind of a person, and a very out of the box thinker. A lot of you are very good teachers. People notice these qualities in you and appreciate you for who you are. Queen of Wands, replace your self doubt with self confidence. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have suffered from immense amount of self doubt, and it was through your self discipline and your self, like, inner talk with your own self, that has helped you cross past that barrier of insecurities, of self questioning. Today you have reached a position where you know who you are, you're very self assured, but that hasn't happened overnight, and people notice that this person has been through, she has been through, or they have been put through a lot of trials and tribulations. Life has put you through that in order for you to reach the position of success and power that you have today. Five of Pentacles. Nothing is ever as hopeless as it seems. You are a person who is like, seriously, I'm seeing you as somebody who is, you know, you've been through a very hopeless scenario, but today when you're looking back, for you, like, it was probably not as bad. Like, you have an eternally positive mindset. You tend to always look at the silver lining in any situation. You are also being seen as somebody, people notice how strong you are emotionally. Life did enough, people around you did enough to break you down, trust you me, but that couldn't happen. They couldn't actually break you down. They tried, but they failed. You are a very strong person. People notice how strong you are. You can literally take anything on your chin and brush it off and move on with your own priorities. That is something people notice about you, that this is a person who is very principled, somebody who knows where their actual priorities lie, and they are very, very determined about it, and people respect you for your courage, for your passion, for your determination. Nine of Cups. Live in a constant state of gratitude. You are a person, you genuinely are very, very grateful. A lot of you probably tend to travel very frequently, could be like using a RV for some of you, or like, solo trips, solo travel. And because you know what, travel broadens your mind. Literally, a lot of you actually live by it, like a you could actually move around while doing your work. Nomadic life, leading a nomadic life, a digital nomad, while living your life, that is very much possible for a lot of you. Page of Pentacles. When life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. Yes, you are a person who, like, life gives you lemons. For a lot of you, life has given you lemons, but it's up to us. Like, you know what, life will throw some kind of carve balls at each and every one of us. It's upon us how we tackle those, like, as best as you can. How do you, like, manage those situations? How do you react to those situations? That is exactly, like, you are one of those people who will, like, make a lemonade out of the lemons, or when there is a storm, instead of building a high a wall, you would build a windmill. So you try to uh, create opportunities even in the, like, most adversarial situations. That's what I can see. Page of Swords. Curiosity is a type of magic. Literally, you're being seen as a very curious person, very curious. You are a natural learner. For a lot of you, you are a natural student. Yeah, you're a very, like, you learn a lot. You're a very curious, very, like, observant kind of a person in general. Shift your perception. What I'm seeing is a lot of you have had a shift, like, the a shift, like, how people perceive you as. That happens when we are succeeding, when we start to see ourselves in a different light. People around us also starts doing the same, and that is something that is happening with you. I can see. Step out of your comfort zone. You guys are literally, you guys have found yourself only out of your comfort zone. That is something I can see. Like, you are usually out of your comfort zone. You are always trying to stretch your boundaries, and that is something people absolutely appreciate and notice about you. Cat, it's time to strike out on your own and relinquish over dependency on others. People notice how independent you are, for sure. Stargazer. People also notice, like, I'm seeing a lot of Aquarian energy, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. You are a very forward thinking kind of a person. You are somebody who knows exactly what their worth is, and is not afraid to, you know get what they feel that you guys rightly deserve. Yes, stars, you can manifest your every wish. People also notice that you are a fantastic manifester. You're literally the alchemist of your own life. You're such a great manifester. Make the change. Yes. You know what? A lot of transformation in general, a lot of Scorpio energy can also be seen. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, a lot of transformation energy. Like people from the past will be totally, people from the past will be totally like surprised to see you, this new facet of yours. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. Literally, you guys have rewritten your life story. You guys have rewritten your life. Like you started from nowhere. Some of you had to restart your life, like in your 20s and 30s, and have rewritten your life story. And that is something people notice about you. Not just notice, they respect about you as well. Hello, hello, pile tree. Time for the charms. You know what? People are noticing that you guys are succeeding in life. At last, you're giving off that king and queen vibes. Okay. Secondly, a lot of you could be going to Paris or any place of significance where you always wanted to be. Maybe somebody would propose to you there, or maybe you could be getting hitched. Some of you are actually getting hitched, getting married. Yeah, you know, your time with this small, cute watch. I hope it's visible. I don't know whether it's visible or not. I hope it is. You know, your time has arrived and people are noticing you. People are actually appreciating you for what you like bring on table. You know what? You are a free bird. You are an emancipated soul. A lot of you are adventure seeking people, very thrill seeking, adventure seeking, very much into like a lot of travels happening. You're a very wise person. For some of you, you guys are cat lovers. You love, like, you are also very self reliant person, somebody who is very mystical and very mysterious at the same time. Transformation, a beautiful, graceful butterfly. People are literally looking up to you. That's what I'm seeing. The transformation that has happened. People from your past, you guys are shining brightly, literally resplendent in your own glory. And people are loving it. People from your past who heckled you at certain point can no longer recognize you also glamorous, of course. Like you guys have had a real physical glow up as well. Kindness is a choice. You can choose to be a cruel person, but as I said, it's a choice as well. Literally, people are noticing how kind you are, and that's like a choice for you and not a compulsion, right? You have disappointed me, you have let me down, but I haven't let you break my spirit. It's the spirit that keeps my dreams alive. Literally, I'm seeing you are being seen as a very strong person. People notice how strong and determined you are. I'm always prepared to face whatever life throws at me. I have no problem standing my own ground. Yes, you are one of those people who knows how to stand their own ground, who knows how to defend themselves effectively. Stubborn, yeah, you are also a very stubborn and determined person. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity of your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.